Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you TCL TV owners out there. We'll be showing you step-by-step how to install Spectrum on your TCL TV, so you can enjoy all your favorite shows and movies hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your TCL TV is powered on and connected to the internet. This is crucial for the installation process. 1. Now, using your remote control, navigate to the home screen of your TCL TV. 2. Once you're on the home screen, scroll to the left until you find the Streaming Channels option. This is where we'll find and install Spectrum. 3. Click on Streaming Channels to open the channel store. 4. Now, in the channel store, use the remote to search for Spectrum. 5. Once you've found the Spectrum app, click on it to select it. 6. Next, click on the Add Channel or Install button to begin downloading and installing the Spectrum app onto your TCL TV. 7. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. 8. Once the installation is finished, you can now launch the Spectrum app from your TCL TV's home screen. Conclusion. And there you have it. Spectrum is now installed and ready to use on your TCL TV. Now you can enjoy all your favorite shows and movies with ease directly from your TCL TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.